and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a decor haul. It's a little bit of few stuff, guys. I didn't buy so much this year, which I'm surprised because you guys know me. I just love to add more to my collection. The whole purpose of this video is actually to share my mug collection and to do a little bit of unboxing of my fall decor because I'm going to be decorating for fall this week. I kind of feel behind though for some reason. I feel like everyone's already decorated. Like I see it on TikTok, I see it on YouTube. I'm like, I need to get with the program here. Everything in your own pace, guys, because sometimes it gets a little bit overwhelming, but I am here for fall and autumn. I just can't wait. Now we're gonna start off with the first thing that I got for fall. It's actually these enamel wood spoons. It's a 4-piece and this one was $9.99. I think this is perfect for a fall coffee bar. I actually wish they had some apple ones because my first fall decorate video for 2023 was actually my kitchen. So if you guys want to see decorate videos already, go and check it out. I did an apple theme kitchen, which is so cute. I just love it. But besides that, I think these spoons are so cute. Now the next thing I got was at Home Goods and I got 2 mugs. These are Halloween mugs. This one is with hidden cats, which I think it's so cute. I just love this bright orange with the black cats. And this one was $4.99. And the handle is kind of a little different. So I kind of like how it's straight here and curved. And then the bottom is black. So it looks like it's on a coaster, but it's not. And the inside is orange with the black rim. And my other Halloween mug that I got this year is this cute one with all these ghosts, guys. This is the cutest thing. And I like how they're kind of shapely different. And there's some orange stars and then a crescent moon. And then the handle on this one is orange, and this one was $5.99. The next one is this one, and this one is from Hobby Lobby. I think it is the cutest fall mug. This just gets you in the fall mood, makes you feel very warm and cozy. Has little apple baskets and pears and pumpkins. I shared this on my recent video. I think it was $12 and it was 40% off, so I got it around $7. Can't wait to use these. Sets of bowls are these. They are super cute. These are hand painted. It's from the brand of Lang, and these bowls are so perfect. And you guys know I'm probably gonna put these in on my coffee bar because I know it makes sense to put it there, and I just love seeing it every morning. So if I wanted to make myself an oatmeal, I could use this. If I wanted to add a little delicious snack in here, I could put this bowl. But look how adorable they look stacked together. Each of these bowls were $5.99. Last but not least on the decor haul, I'm telling you, this was actually very small, which I'm surprised. I think I had to save the best for last. Is this cute little pumpkin house. And this one says Pumpkin Spice Cottage, and it has little pumpkins, has a little latte, little apple pie, and the windows are all open so you can add a little tea light candle or string lights. Believe me, I'm gonna put some string lights in this. I cannot wait to see this glow very pretty at night. So this house is $24.99, and this is from the brand of Blue Sky. So these are all the mugs all together. It is quite a few. Now I do love this crate just because they do use it as an open shelf, and I love adding either mugs, sugar, or coffee creamers. So let's grab a mug and show you where it's from and if I could remember the price. This one right here, it's the Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown. If you guys didn't know, but this is actually one of my favorite fall and Halloween movie. Brown, it has Linus, Sally, and Snoopy coming out from the pumpkin patch. And then if you flip it on this side, it says Great Pumpkin Believer since 1966, which of course I'm a pumpkin believer. The next mug is this one that says Pumpkin Spice and All Things Nice. This one's a burnt orange one and it's white inside. And my friend Susan actually got me this one and I love it to this day. Now the next mug is this pumpkin mug. This one is from the brand of Martha Stewart, and I actually got this one as a gift. I got 2 of them. So if you can see, I have another pumpkin one down there. Now these, I've seen them at Macy's, so I think it's a Macy's collection. I honestly don't have a big collection on my fall mugs. The other one is this one right here that I mentioned. So I'm actually excited that I added another mug to my fall collection. I'm gonna bring these down and grab my Halloween ones. Okay, I just love this spooky display. So let's start from the top to the bottom. Now this mug right here says Witch's Brew. And this one has little bats and stars, and you can see something is brewing. Now this one is from Michael's, and I don't remember the price on these. Their mugs usually run around $9 to $10, but usually they do have a sale. Let's go with this one, the cauldron one. Now this one has spider webs all around, and this one is kind of small. This one is actually from the Threshold brand from Target. And their mugs usually go for $5. Okay, so on the second shelf, I have more Target mugs. I have this ghost one right here that was so hard to get, and I just love the face on this one. And this one is from the brand of Spritz. And this one says Hey Boo, and I love this one, the little ghost. What I like about this one is the stoneware, and this one is from the brand of Hide and Eek. And I do love how this one is actually double-sided. Going to the bottom shelf is this ghost one right here. And this one has the multiple ghosts. Has all these beautiful little specks going all around inside and out from the brand of Market Finds. This one is from TJ Maxx. Now another mug is this one right here. This screams Halloween. From the Yellow Bright Full Moon, from bats, stars, and just the graveyard, and then there's a black cat, the spooky trees, a haunted house. Very spooky, and I love this, and it has gray inside with the black rim. Now let's bring these down and put another set of mugs. So on the top shelf, I already shared that they're my two new mugs. Now let's start with this jack-o'-lantern one. This one is actually a Joann's Find, and I just love the smile. I kind of like how it's white inside, and then I do love this black little leaf on the handle. I think this one is perfect. I don't recall how much this one was. I want to say around $8 to be honest. But I think it's so cute, and it looks very vintage. Now another mug, it's this one that says Trick or Treat Yourself. But if you flip it, it's actually double-sided. This one is black inside, and I actually have two. So one's for me and one is for my husband. So we like to do matchy-matchy sometimes, or sometimes we just switch our mugs around. And this one is from TJ Maxx. And my friend Susan actually got me this one. This one has an orange handle and it's orange inside. I think it's nice and festive. Really okay, now I'm gonna do a little bit of unboxing to see what I have. Now, I have 2 to 3 bins. I know one has like my Halloween pillows, and then I have a bin that's all fall. I have another one, but it has pumpkins, which I consider for fall and Halloween, and I can't grab that tote. It's all the way in. I tried it. I have to wait till my husband gets home, and so I'm gonna show you what I have in that one. It's mainly pumpkins, which is so exciting because that's what fall is all about. So opening this box, I have signs. So I did see this when I had to grab my Apple sign, but I have this one right here. Now this one was actually my first fall sign. This one is from Hobby Lobby. And this one says farm fresh pumpkins, only 10 cents a pound, pick up daily. And this one is more on that buffalo check. Now my next sign is this one right here, and it's so lovely. I think this one's the one I'm going to be using again for my fall coffee bar. Just these 3 pumpkins, very beautiful and simple. This one I got it at Home Goods. My next one is this pumpkin spice latte. I love this one. It matches the one with the apple cider one, and this is actually my favorite fall drink, this pumpkin spice latte. Now as you can see, it's all pumpkins here. So let me pull some stuff out. I have a lot of pumpkins, and I usually buy them in pairs. So I have two of these, which are from Kirkland's. These are so beautiful. I like this one because it has a gold stem, and these were, it has the price. These were $7.99. I pulled one pumpkin from that tote that's all the way back there that I was telling you, and it's this one right here. This one is from the Threshold brand. I got this one last year, and this one was $10, and it's just a beautiful burnt orange, and then it has some tones of brown, and then right here it's like that ceramic stem. Another pumpkin in this one from Martha Stewart. I don't know if you guys saw my recent vlog, and that one is from Home Goods, but I did mention that I do have these wooden pumpkins, and they are so cute, guys. I really love this with this silver stem, the silver leaf. Martha Stewart knows how to do like the best decor. I really love her. She should do her own store. Imagine that. Imagine. I usually get them by twos just because I do like to display two of them, or to have them on each end on the bookcase or my TV stand. I have small pumpkins, and these are the yarn ones. These are from Target, from the Target dollar spot. I think they were $1. Now, I do want to change the stem just because they do look cheapy, because it is that plastic one. I always am going to put glitter, but I'm scared that there's going to be glitter all around the yarn. So I'm thinking of just painting it because I do have paint. Now, I have it in 2 in white and 2 in orange. Again, I buy them in twos. Oh, my favorite thing, guys. I'm excited for this. It's the sugar and creamer set. And yes, I'm gonna be using this once again, the sugar and creamer set. I love these. These are perfect, and these are from the brand of Potter Studio. You guys are gonna see these on my fall coffee bar. Another thing is this mug topper, and this mug topper, I got it as a gift, and it is super cute. My cousin Abby got me this, but look how cute. Pumpkin spice latte. I need one right now. I know I'm sharing all this fall stuff, but I want to share my little ghost stuff. This is a little hand soap holder. This one's from Bath & Body Works, but it has these cute little ghosts going all around. And then the matching candle holder. And they have like a new collection this year, and honestly, I haven't even gone to go check it out. I've been more in that fall mood. Like, I just want pumpkin spice. I want to do caramel apples, which I'm gonna do a video of that, so you guys should stay tuned, because I am gonna do a caramel apple video, because I haven't done one. I did one a long time ago, like when I first started YouTube, but I want to do one again. I have this glass pumpkin, and I remember couldn't find the lid, and I found the lid for it. Add some string lights or candy. Candy in this glass jar looks so beautiful. Yeah, I'm excited, guys. Another thing are these pumpkin plates, and these came in a set of 2. But I got 2 sets, so 4. But are these pumpkin plates, and they have little specks going all around. These are actually from the Target dollar spot. They don't have stuff like this anymore, and it's a bummer because they should. I feel like they have a lot of repeated stuff, but this is actually one thing that I really love. Another candle holder, and are these glittery pumpkins. And this one is from the Bath & Body Works. So this one was $12.95. Okay, I think this has to be my all-time favorite pumpkin now. I had this, I got this one as, it was in the kitchenware. And this is from the brand of Arlington. Now, what I love about this pumpkin is the rose gold stem and leaf. Look how beautiful this is. This is such a beautiful pumpkin. I used it once for my coffee bar, and I think I added tea bags, and I don't know what else, but I think it's perfect. It's beautiful. One of the last things on this tote is this plate right here that says pumpkin pie, and it has the recipe. It is so cute. I got this one at Kohl's years ago, and I love it to this day. And it's kind of bittersweet because it's something unique that, you know, you have a unique item that you won't see now, that's not repeated. But then it's sad because I'm like, they kind of repeat a lot of the decor nowadays. I don't know if it makes any sense. You could use it as a plate. I have displayed this. I use it on Thanksgiving as well. So I even add treats in here, etc. I always talk about this on every video, especially when I go store vlogging, is this beautiful pumpkin pie garland. It could not get any cuter with pumpkin pie slices in a garland. This one was from Martha Stewart, and I got this one at TJ Maxx. What I'm planning to do to decorate here is do more of that burnt orange and just make you feel very warm and cozy, and that's what fall is all about. And that is it with today's video, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. We did a little bit of a haul, a mug display showing. I even showed you a little bit of an unboxing of my fall decor. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.